Alright, here we are, Tuesday, March 1st. We're up here at above Cliff Lake, and Dennis and I just sliced off a little cornice here, and we got ourselves a little slide down here. This is kind of northeast facing. We've got pretty windy conditions today out of the southwest. Good gusts. And we proved our hypothesis. Wind loading on north, northeast, east aspects. This slide ran probably 300 feet, anywhere from, over a foot there, so maybe 6 or 8 inches over here. Wouldn't want to get caught in that one. Be careful.